Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you this recipe of mine of how to make yummy porridge yam the right way. So in this video I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how we are going to make yummy porridge yam just the way you're seeing it in this video. So what you need to do is get a tuber of yam. After getting your tuber of yam, you are going to cut it into small pieces like this, the way you see in the video. Yes, cut it into smaller pieces like this. So after cutting it, you are going to peel your yam. After peeling your yam, this is the outcome of the yam, but I'm going to still cut it into smaller pieces because you can't cook the yam like this. So I cut it into smaller pieces. This is the outcome. Then I added water to wash it very well. This is me washing the yam the fourth time. Then after washing it, I transferred it into my pot. After transferring it into the pot, I put it on my gas cooker and I added some water. I didn't want to use much water because I don't want the porridge to be very watery, so I had to use little water. So after cooking for a few minutes, I came in with salt, a pinch of salt. I didn't add much because I don't really like salty food. So I cover it and allow it cook for some minutes. After some minutes, I checked the yam was really soft already, so I picked out 5 pieces of it. So you can see. Follow along and let your cravings be released. I picked out 5 pieces of it, then I together we'll explore. Proceeded by pounding it. As you can see, this is the outcome. Like after pounding it, then I return back to my pot on the fire. Then I started by adding the pounded yam, the one I did earlier on. As you can see me adding it, then I stir it to mix properly. Then I cover and allow it cook for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I came in with my chopped onions. Then after the chopped onions, I added crayfish. As you can see, I like crayfish a lot in my porridge yam. And I added blended pepper. After the pepper, I proceeded by stirring it to mix properly. Then I cover and cook on a low heat because I don't want the yam to get burnt or the porridge to get burnt. After that, I added my seasoning cube and I properly stir it. Then I came in with my protein, which is a cow skin and fish, smoked fish. You can make use of any protein you have, but this is what was at my disposal, so I had to use it. After that, I cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Remember, on a low heat. After that, I proceeded by adding my fresh palm oil. Then I stir it properly for it to mix together, as you can see, to mix in everywhere. After that, I added my scent leaf. You can make use of vegetable or any other vegetable you know. You can make use of it, but this is what I like using, which is scent leaf. Then I properly stir it together. See me tasting it. This porridge jam is giving a 100/100, I swear. Then I cover it. Thanks for watching.